I've been testing the ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni, and it's hands down one of the most advanced robot cleaners you can get right now. It packs an impressive 18,000 pass suction paired with the innovative Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mop. That means the mop continuously cleans itself, sprays fresh water from 16 nozzles, scrubs at 200 RPM, and avoids leaving streaks or spreading dirt. Cleaning right into corners is no problem thanks to its extendable roller mop and side brush, enhanced by TrueEdge 2.0 with a 3D edge sensor that adapts to obstacles and maximizes coverage. Plus, the Zero Tangle 2.0 brush design keeps hair from clogging the roller, so maintenance is a breeze. No more tangled hair hassles. This model even raises the mop 10 millimeters when transitioning to carpets, and its carpet care function smartly avoids wetting rugs by vacuuming them first. And when you factor in the powerful Omni Station, which handles auto-emptying, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, detergent dispensing, and more, it delivers a truly hands-free experience that lasts for up to 150 days. On top of that, its navigation is top tier, with embedded LiDAR making it sleek and able to slide under furniture, AI/VI 3D obstacle avoidance, and smart app control including voice support via Echo, Alexa, Google, and upcoming Matter integration. It's a breeze to schedule cleanings and stay in control. In short, the X8 Pro Omni delivers powerful suction, streak-free mopping, edge-to-edge coverage, tangle-free performance, and premium auto maintenance, all in a sleek, smart package that truly takes cleaning off your plate. Please like and subscribe to help us grow.